So here we have the Volvo XC60 2-litre B4 MHEV mild hybrid R design. This vehicle features a whole host of factory fitted options, from the 21-inch 5-spoke alloys to the Intellisafe Pro, Intellisafe Surround, which is your adaptive cruise control with Volvo Pilot, your 360 surround view cameras with self-park, Harman Kardon sound system, the Xenium pack featuring the panoramic glass roof, the family pack, which I'll show you inside the vehicle. That's the built-in booster seats, 4-zone climate control, it's also got the heated windscreen, the heated steering wheel, Harman Kardon, power fold mirrors, Nappa leather and fabric interior, the heated steering wheel there. It's also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Harman Kardon. Volvo Pilot, just coming through cameras. So this is part of the Intellisafe surround package. There we go. Back, we've got built-in booster seats. We've got the 4-zone climate control. Just there. We've got a 3-pin plug in the back, part of the convenience pack. Keyless entry, keyless go car. Also got the spare wheel, which makes a change these days. Electric closing tailgate. Again, booster seat. That's fine. Straight back down. Roof is a tilt and slide glass roof. And just pop it on the tilt. There we have it, one very high specification Volvo XC60 R design B4 MHEV mild hybrid.